So builders are once again in the catbird seat, ladies and gentlemen. So for a while here in the triangle market, at least, the cost to buy a brand new home has been less than a resale home. And that's mostly because sellers have not accommodated to lowering their price at this point and getting into that range where people will actually make an offer. There's a significant difference today between what your house is worth and what a buyer is willing to pay for it. Now that interest rates are going down, builders are even in a better position because it's costing them less to do those buy downs to that 4.99% 30-year fixed, or in some cases that 3.99 40-year fixed or 30-year fixed. Sorry, not 40-year fixed, but 30-year fixed. So we're starting to see that. So it's cheaper for them to do that, which means margins are going to go up for the builders. And that's part of the reason you're hearing a lot of people talking about how well off builders are in the stock market and things like that. If you haven't heard, Warren Buffett invested over $700 million last week, or maybe 2 weeks ago, in D.R. Horton and Lennar. And that is because they're two of America's largest home builders. And so they're going to see better numbers here as we go on. Again, as I told you a couple of days ago, there's a real estate boom getting ready to happen, because what the builders are doing is at the end of this year, they're going to try to get rid of all of their inventory so they can reinvest in new inventory. And when they do that, the current inventory is going to drop, so you're going to see it settle. It always happens this time of year. We always come a little bit off, but you could see 20 to 25% inventory reductions in some parts of the country simply because builders are trying to unload homes. So keep an eye on it. Touch base with your real estate agent if you're in the buying market, and always take a look at new construction that might fit your needs.